Hi, in this video what we're going to do is plot a cubic curve using the table function on the calculator. It says complete the table below for y is equal to x cubed plus 4x squared plus x minus 2 for x being between minus 4 and 1. So we've got a table there. We're going to draw a graph on these axes and we're going to state where the graph cuts the x-axis. So first of all, setting up the table, so a mode on the calculator, and then we're going to need the table function that's going to be number 3. Then this will come up, f of x is equal to, and then we need to do alpha x cubed, the x is the red button above the bracket sign here, plus 4 alpha x squared, plus 4lx squared, plus alpha x minus 2, equals, and then when the equals comes up we get a start, so we need to say where we want it to start. We want it to start at minus 4, that's the minus we should be using, then end equals, and then end will come up and we're going to want it to end at 1 equals, and then the step normally by default is 1, and then we get a table of results which we can fill in. So minus 6, 4, 4, and then if we scroll down we can fill in a bit more of the table. So 0, minus 2. Okay. So if we take those points and we now plot minus 4 against minus 6, and minus 3 against 4, minus 2 against 4, 1, minus 1 and 0, and 0, minus 2, and then 1 and 4. Now we could join those up, but it's not going to make for a good curve. So if we go back to the calculator and change the step to perhaps 0.5, it might make for a better graph. So if we do that, then we can put some extra points on our graph. Put this one here, we can get these from the calculator. This one here is quite important. And then we get all the intermediate ones, and then if we draw the curve and then label it. And then we have to find where the curve cuts the x-axis. So it's going to cut the x-axis here, here, and here. Those 3 points there, so we'll read them off. So minus 3.8, x is equal to minus 1. That would have to be got exact because we can get that from the table. And then 0.6, reading from our graph. So this has been a video to show you how to use the table function on your calculator to draw a cubic function to create the table, and then find where the curve cuts the x-axis. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.